I don't think you can play League, because if we try playing League, I'm gonna be so fucked up that whenever I try doing anything, I'm gonna fuck up. It's gonna be hilarious if you don't mind fucking losing. No. What if I somehow feed the bots enough to where they beat us? I can't even keep track of where my fucking cursor is. Goddamn. I don't think you could handle my drunkardness. Oh, I'm fucking out of it right now, dude. I mean, I'm awake for the most part, but I'm like, I'm fucking drunk, for real. I'm gonna go pee real quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys still there?
Yep. No.
I don't think drinking on League of Legends really matches. We'll work it out. Oh. Oh my god. I think I've drank too much, cause like, it probably only takes like half or maybe a quarter of what it takes to get like Tanner drunk to get me completely wasted, cause like I'm fucked up right now. Cause like it's asking me questions on the screen, and I'm just looking at it like, what the fuck are you asking me? I can't read shit. I'm drunk. Okay, it's updating. I hope I didn't open the PBE and I actually opened the actual game itself. Was there a holy shit, I'm trying to like steady myself so I can at least talk properly. Was there a patch on the actual servers, or was it all on the PBE?
Not that I know of.
Okay. So maybe I'm on PBE right now. It says North America rather than PBE, so maybe. Yeah, so it should just be patching out of the blue. I hope I end up hitting my my record button, so whenever I actually pass out and then wake up the next day, I can check back on my recording and be like, holy shit, what the fuck? Oh, I'm so like relaxed right now. Oh my god. Oh yeah, Tanner, we click play real quick, but I work I work I work 4 days this week, but guess how many hours I work?
20.
Fuck no! I only work 18, which is it 18? No, it's I only work 16. And you know what that means? That means yeah, 4 hours a fucking day. What kind of schedule is that? Oh my god, dude. I gotta like focus to type in this password because like otherwise it's gonna fuck up and not accept it. Invalid password. Fuck! This is too goddamn hard. Who you calling?
Blue.
I don't think Blue wants to be around me while I'm drunk. I'll make fun of him and he'll get upset and he'll be like, I gotta kill myself.
No, I think he'd want to be here.
Fuck yeah! I logged on, dude! Professor Butt has invited you to play a game. Fuck yeah, why not? Should I go get another? Holy fucking shit. I have to be somewhat coherent. Should I go get another drink? Or do you think I'm drunk enough?
I think you're okay.
I'm pretty fucked up right now. It's probably because I don't drink much though, so whenever drinks come around. Cause like Max sent me a message that says sup Katasaki and I'm like, nigga, whatever, fuck you. Hold on, I'm gonna type that real quick. There you go. Oh, I have. Oh, I can't even type. Whatever.
Stop drunk typing.
I'm gonna go back and look on this shit. Be like, what was I thinking? Oh yeah, I was drunk. I'm so glad I don't work tomorrow. I'd go to work and they'd be like, Derek, you need to be a cashier tonight, and I'd be like, you need to suck my dick. I'm out of it. Jesse, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Cause I don't think Rolla is still here.
He left. He didn't want to play league.
He didn't want to handle my bodaciousness. Oh, okay. Cause like what?
There you go. Listen to this while we play.
I'll try to, but like, I mean, it's so fucking hard to click anything. Oh my fucking god, this is rocket science right here. Trying to move.